2's complement subtraction. Today we are going to see 2's complement subtraction, like 1's complement subtraction. 2's complement subtraction is accomplished by only addition. So before going to see this 2's complement subtraction, just we will have a small review on what is 2's complement. 2's complement is equals to 1's complement plus 1. Simply adding 1 to the 1's complement, we get 2's complement. We will take an example. Find 2's complement of 1001. So 2's complement is equals to, first to do 1's complement of 1001, 0110. This is 1's complement, adding 1. So 1110. So this is the 2's complement of 1001. We are having a shortcut to implement this 2's complement in order to doing 1's complement and adding 1 to the 1's complement form. So the shortcut method is taking an example 1001, similar example. Keep the last bit, that is LSB, as it is. If it is 1 means keep it as 1 and perform 1's complement to the remaining 110. So this is the 2's complement. So this is the answer. You have got the same here. Taking one more example to find the 2's complement. 011010. So applying the shortcut, so 1 is at second position, so till here write as it is 0 1, and after writing 1 and remaining bits are there, apply 1's complement for this remaining bits 1001. So this is the 2's complement of 011010, and you can check by implementing 1's complement plus 1. 1's complement of 011010 is this, and adding 1. So 1 plus 1 sum 0, carry 1, 1 1 0 0 1. So here also 1000110. So this is the shortcut method. Now we will see 2's complement subtraction. In 2's complement subtraction also two cases are there, similar in 1's complement. Case 1 is subtract small number from large number. So for that 3 steps are there. They are, in step 1, first determine 2's complement of small number, and step 2, add 2's complement number to large number. Step 3 is, after adding this 2's complement number with the large number, you will get the result. If there is any carry, you can discard it. So discard any carry. Let us see it with an example. Subtract 101011 from 111001 using 2's complement. So step 1 is, you need to find the 2's complement of, this is the smaller number and this is the larger number. 2's complement is 1 0 1 0 1 0. So this is the 2's complement of 101011. Now you have to add this with large number. So I am doing it. On adding, sum 0, carry 1, 1 0 1 1 1, sum 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0, carry 1. So in the step 3, in the result, if there is any carry, you can discard it. So the final answer is case 2, subtract large number from small number. Step 1 is find the 2's complement of large number. Second step is add 2's complement to small number. Answer will be in 2's complement form. To obtain in the true form, take 2's complement to the answer and assign negative sign to it. To see the case 2, we will solve with an example. The example is subtract 111,001 from 101011. So this is the subtrahend. The number which is subtracting is subtrahend, and the from the number which is getting subtracted is known as minuend. So for this subtrahend, we need to do the 2's complement. 2's complement is 1 1 1 0 0 0. On adding minuend and subtrahend, which we have done 2's complement already, 0 1 1 sum is 0, carry 1, sum is 1, carry is 1, sum 0, carry 1, sum 0, carry 1, 1 1. So this is the answer. Here there is no carry on. So the answer is in 2's complement form. So we need to do 2's complement and assign negative sign. So again doing 2's complement to this result. So 0 1 1 1 0 0 and assigning negative sign. So this is the final answer. So these are the two cases of 2's complement subtraction. Subtracting smaller value from the larger value, doing 2's complement of the subtrahend and adding with the minuend. The name is subtraction, but we are performing addition, and this is the case for subtracting large number from the small number.